In just a few hours, Richard Allen, the man convicted of murdering Abby Williams and Libby German more than 7 years ago, will be sentenced.
Allen was found guilty on 2 counts of murder and 2 counts of felony murder. And now we're getting some new insight into what may happen in court today, as our Matthew Foltz is live in Delphi this morning with a breakdown of the latest filings from Allen's attorneys. Good morning, Matthew.
Yeah, good morning to you both. I actually have a copy of that sentencing memo that was filed yesterday by Richard Allen's attorneys. In it, it says that Allen maintains his innocence in this case. It also says that his attorneys don't plan on speaking much or presenting any evidence today during the sentencing hearing, as they plan to appeal this case. Now, you might remember in just a few hours, Allen will be sentenced on those 4 murder charges, each of them carrying a sentence of 45 to 65 years. But Allen can't be sentenced 2 times for the same conduct of murder. So today we can expect Judge Gall to ask both the defense and prosecutors if they've reviewed something that's called the pre-sentence investigation report, which is put on by the probation department of Carroll County. Now, Allen's attorneys say they advised him not to cooperate with the pre-sentencing memo for the judge.
And it lets the judge know whether or not he is likely to reoffend. And so it'll place him in a high, moderate, or low category in terms of committing another criminal offense, so that she can use that in her analysis in terms of an appropriate sentence.
Now, today's hearing starts in just a few hours at 9 o'clock this morning here inside the Carroll County courtroom. We will have crews inside there and bring you the latest updates both on air and online at WTHR.com. Meanwhile, ladies, coming up at 6 a.m. here on 13 Sunrise, we'll break down just how long Richard Allen could spend behind bars as Judge Gall makes her sentencing later today.
Yeah, that is the big question this morning. Thank you, Matthew.